to my roots. Oh yes, Yedale oh.
I went through my whole life without black friends and barely seeing family because we lived in a white area, so I didn't know anything. I didn't know how to even jump rope or braid hair or anything, you know, the basic things that black people know. But as an adult, I vowed that I was going to find out. So I'm here with my feet on the floor.
I can feel, but spiritually, the way I see you, you must have been connected to royalty, your lineage.
Well,
so that boils down to the name I'm going to give to you. So when next are you back in Nigeria? We'll do that ceremony.
Festival.
Oh, good. We'll do a great ceremony. Are you coming as well?
Yes. Yes.
I guess I am.
Oh, no problem. So your name will be Adefarahan.
Wow.
You have shown yourself.
The crown has revealed itself.
So you need to take note of that. We're going to do a naming ceremony for you.
Okay.
And that's the name you should be calling. Okay? You know, she's who's in the royalty. Because she's very comfortable. Yes. You know, that's her name. Your own name, the spirits are still bringing it out for you. Before we finish from here, you will get your name. I'll get your own name. So we'll give you a normal naming ceremony during that time. So it's going to be big. He's the one that will coordinate it. Welcome back. You are sort of a calm spirit. What can you say about her?
What can I say about her? She's calm. She calms me down. But she is calm. She's very smart. She's well-rounded and very professional. Like I said, we have the radio show and we bounce back and forth. I'm the more, I speak out more, I crack jokes more. She's more serious. But, yeah, I think that's how we get along so well, but you know.
She likes to get on the power back and speak.
Yeah.
And I can see very daring and calm. She likes to dare stuff, like a daredevil, right?
Yeah.
So you ride a bike?
I do.
Amazing. So have you ever seen her get angry before?
Yeah, I have.
What happened?
Really? Yeah, I have. Nothing happens because she calms herself down. So, like a regular person would get angry, they would continuously, you know, they can't stop, but she gets angry and she shuts down.
That's right. I'm in social work, so I'm about helping people. So with me and people, it's always about negotiation and meeting them where they are, because you never know where you're going to meet a person. So you just have to meet them wherever they are. So that's probably why I seem a little bit more calming before. And I work with a lot of people, a lot. The venue that I work with holds about 11,000 people.
So that gives back to who you are. I'm going to tell you one nature, a component of nature that we cannot do without. Do you know this nature called water? You know what water is all about? Eh? So your name is Omidele.
Wow.
Water comes anytime you're thirsty, you take it, you're calm. Anytime you're dehydrated, you look for water. Water is necessity. Now you have come back home. So your name is Omidele. Because I can see, I can feel who you are,
Yeah.
the two of you, and that's why your name. That's how we name our people, all children of our ancestry. We just don't give name.
Right.
In the Western world, in the US, they just say you are steak, you are stone, you are. They just bring up all sorts of names.
That is funny. You know, I looked up my
But
name.
we don't do that.
That's
We
funny.
consult spiritually before we give name. So I've been doing some spiritual running before your name came up. So have you noticed that?
Omidele Adefarahan.
What did you say?
I looked up my name, my name that my parents gave me, and it means queen.
Really?
Yeah, Gina.
Okay, Gina.
Yeah. And I know that's not what she meant it to be because
You're a very confident,
Yes.
very confident lady.
I'm
Oh, you
sorry.
don't know. You haven't noticed. You're very confident.
My wife's best friend.
Amazing.
I told you we're going to
I like it.
Please subscribe to Ilekoko TV. Please subscribe to Ilekoko TV.
Back to my roots.